Thought I'd start you off with something pretty today. That's the Bay Education Center in Rockport, Texas. It's free of charge. They have a donation box in there. I'm telling you, don't be afraid of the word education. Check it out when you come to town. They got some cool things in there. Very kid friendly. You can be in there for 10 minutes. You can be in there for 2 hours. Should we make it official? Hey guys, you're watching Boondocking with Dennis. That wasn't very official. I wanted to start off with the sun behind me because it is just a super pretty day. Super pretty day. It's been a super busy day. That clicking sound you hear is called a turn signal. If you have a vehicle, check it out. You too might have a turn signal on your vehicle. I wonder if Luciano's over here today. He's been over here a few days in a row and I don't see him. And he probably won't be over here because he got a gift in the mail. I don't want to say what it is yet, but it'll be in this afternoon's video. I picked up some mail and I already shot that footage yesterday. Little peek behind the scenes for you there, kids. It's a nice time of year to come visit Rockport. I met a gentleman this morning. Nope, that's not Luciano. No shopping cart. I guess he stayed at the church today. Maybe we can make our way over to the church. I just can't keep my finger out of the picture. Sorry, guys. A nice gentleman from Arkansas, from the Bentonville area, which is not all that far from where my friends in Mansfield live. It's the same north, what is that, west portion of Arkansas. And talked to him for just a little bit this morning. He's down here with a truck camper and a boat. And he was making a generator repair. And then I went and talked to my buddy. I don't want to mention a name. Talked to my buddy and he ate at Virginia's on the Bay, which everyone raves about. And honestly, I've read nothing but good things. And he got food poisoning 2 days ago and had to extend his trip here because he was too sick to drive back home. So yeah, that's bizarre. So I hope you're feeling better, buddy. Rockport Harbor, check this out, guys. For sale. Get it? For sale. And it's actually for sale. There's a standard for sale sign right there. Nice looking little boat. Maybe in our afternoon video we need to come take a look at that and I'll give you the phone number. I really enjoy our harbors. Matter of fact, it's been over a month since we've gone to the Con Brown Harbor in Port Aransas, so we might need to get over there. I was wondering why that boat was back far, but they have one of those little one-man sailboats. And I filmed those one-man sailboats again last night, the same group, and I got some good footage. They were coming across in front of me just as the sun was setting. So my special effects crew did just one hell of a job. I got a joke from my buddy George. George said, what is a tree's least favorite month? That's an easy one, George. September. That's a great joke, George. Thank you. I appreciate that. Bit of a breeze coming behind us. So my truck is actually blocking the wind, which is awesome. Wonder how much they're asking for that boat, guys. But it is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Rockport, Texas. Let's go forward a little bit. Go around this gentleman. Good morning. The Nimble. The Nimble, N-I-M-B-L-E. I don't remember that. It kind of looks, it doesn't look familiar at all. There's the sea turtle. Here's another boat for sale, guys. I don't see a phone number on it. I don't see a name. It's a sailboat, but it's for sale. Huh. I guess it's the end of the boat season. Wonder if we can get a buy one boat, get one boat free type of deal going. Here, here is the stimulus check. You got a great deal on that boat if you were able to buy that with your stimulus check. That's pretty funny. Here is another boat for sale. 361-557-7124. 12,000 bucks. Get out your checkbook, kids. 12,000 bucks and it's yours. This one is Tequila Sunrise. It is not for sale. I would imagine everything's for sale if you have enough money, right? I didn't know we were going to go sailboat shopping on this trip, but apparently we are. Hard Times from James Island, South Carolina. South of where Storytime with Uncle Bill is. I watched some videos already today. I watched my Antiquing Friends channel. I watched Jamie Makin. Watched a Jamie Makin video. I watched Hiking with Jackie Boy, a couple videos from him. And Barton's RV Adventures, Hula Girl. Round to it. Round to it, as in I'll get round to it. There's the Irish Rover. We haven't seen that in a while. Rockport, Texas. They got a lot of stuff on that boat. I got to talk to the guy that lives on that boat one day. He was a pretty good dude. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
He was pleasant. He must be from out of town. There's the Sand Dollar. Oh, they got a puppy? I hear him, but I don't see him. Oh, look at that. I remember this ship. He's got a Moana on top. I still don't see the puppy. I wonder if he's inside barking away. They got a mermaid skeleton on that one. And now we're down to the first Little Mister. We're down to the first Little Mister. And then it kind of opens up here. I got to tell you guys, the temperatures overnight have dropped. I mean, just a few degrees. I think the heat index was still 94 when I went to bed last night, but it really does make a big difference. And actually stayed in the truck a little bit this morning, had my coffee and answered comments. If you're new to the channel, I don't know why you've watched this far. I live full-time in my F-150 with a Lear topper. And we are in gorgeous Rockport, Texas. A drinking town with a fishing problem. The Redneck Riviera. And guys, that's Rockport Harbor. I'm shooting this on September 13th, 2023. And right now it's 9:36 a.m. Thanks for riding along today, guys. Thanks for watching.